Okay guys, welcome back. So you went through our 6-week video series, okay? So what we're going to do now over 2 parts, we're going to try and fit it all together, okay? Give you an idea of how to use those techniques to try and sort out how you move and link it to the squat a little bit, okay? So this is where we're going to go, okay? So if we have some problems with the ankle, okay? So when you're squatting, if you see for yourself that your ankles come off the ground, okay? So if you're squatting and you're in this position, okay? Your heels are coming off the ground. We want to be able to keep these on the ground, so we want to be in this position, all right? So if you see that your heels are coming off the ground, that's when you go to your ankle mobilization. So that's when you roll, stretch, and activate your ankles in video 1, okay? So let's move on from there, okay? So if you see when you're squatting, or when one of your clients is squatting, or someone you train with squats, okay? If you see that on their feet dump in like this, and you also see that their knees drop in, so we have knee valgus and then feet rolling like this. This is also an issue when we're squatting as well, okay? So what we do for this, again, we go back to our ankle mobilizations, okay? So we roll, stretch, and activate our ankles. Then we'd also then go to our hip openers as well, okay? So we want to get our glutes working properly as well, all right? Okay, next one, okay? Excessive forward lean, okay? So when someone's squatting, if you see this kind of thing happening, excessive forward lean with the torso, okay? This is where we go back to video 1 for our ankle openers, get our ankle mobilized, okay? And we'd also then go to video 2 and get our hip flexors stretched as well. So we can keep our torso in a nice upright position when we're squatting, okay? Okay, moving on, next one. Okay, so if you see when someone's squatting rounding with the back, okay, so when they squat, they're gonna be in this position. This is where we go to our hamstring work, okay? So the hamstring video, mobilizing the hamstring, actively stretching the hamstring, that's where we'd use that, okay? All right guys, we'll see you in the next part of this one.